Welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. Jason here. Today I have the classic and iconic Rolex Daytona, and a lot of people don't really know how to use the chronograph functions on this. It does actually have what's called a screw down crown on both of these pushers. So all you need to do is just unscrew it, and once you have it unscrewed, you want to make sure that your watch is fully wound. So you just go ahead and unscrew this crown right here. You want to rotate that about 30 to 40 times to give it a nice full wind. Now, once it's been fully wound, all you need to do is go ahead and unscrew these pushers. Once you click that pusher, you'll see that that hand moving there, so it tells you how many seconds have gone by. This is your minute tracker there, your hour tracker on the side, and then that is your constantly moving seconds hand right in the middle. And in order to go ahead and reset, you just click the top, then click the bottom to reset. It does go back to its original position. And the most important part is you always want to make sure that you do go ahead and screw that one down. So if you are interested in the Rolex Daytona, go ahead and check this one out at SwissWatchExpo.com.